Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just quick middle of the day update, not too much price action. In this video, we want to talk about the microstructure here. For me, it's still quite likely that we are still in the third wave actually. I mean, this could be complete technically, yeah, but I don't think we've completed this entire 5-wave move to the downside we've been tracking. At least I don't think we have, because I can visually count 5 waves here, yeah? I can count visually 5 waves and I can say, okay, this 5-wave move down is complete. However, we have a few problems. It didn't come down low enough. It should really go below the 17th of August low, below 25,220. And the third wave, even though it missed it only by like $30, but it didn't reach the 1.618 extension level of the wave 1. So a little bit too short, that third wave there. And the fourth wave also only did the minimum at the time. So for me, it's more likely that this is actually extending. Again, could be that it is already complete. And however, then I would look into, I mean, let's assume it's complete, okay? If it's complete, this wave 5 didn't come down low enough. Okay, a truncation is always possible, meaning that this fifth wave ends above the third. But if that's the case, in all likelihood, I would then certainly track the green wave count more clearly, which I'm already doing. Okay, I said you should be prepared for the green count just from a risk management point of view. It allows price to drop to 18 to 20K roughly, okay? So in that case, however, even if if we don't even get below the 17th of August low in this 5-wave move, and we're now retracing in an ABC structure, then this might be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5, okay? So that's sort of how it is, because it just didn't come down low enough, or we might be dealing with this high B wave. So anyway, at the moment, to keep it simple, if we see a substantial reaction to the upside now, based on the structure, again, it's a very unclear bottoming structure, not a good bottoming structure. It is a structure where surely a local low might be possible and price might rally in a high B wave, but it's nothing where I would say, okay, this is high probability for any kind of a bullish turnaround. So primary scenario remains lower. The first line of resistance that we're observing here is 26,450. So against that level, we focus on lower. My take is this fifth wave should extend. That's my current case here that I'd like to make. Basically, that the third wave has extended, and that any price action to keep this downside alive should stay below 26,450. So that of course means that we need to be prepared for whatever happens if price breaks above 26,450. And I just told you what my view will be. It would just be a larger corrective rally and recovery, in my opinion. Yeah. So either in a high B wave or just sort of preparing us for further downside. But I'm not happy to count this as a 5-wave move. So in line with what I said earlier today in my previous video, if we really get a break above 26,450, I would primarily see it as a large B wave. Yeah, A wave, B wave, C wave. A bad idea to chase it because it would most likely break down afterwards. So that's sort of my view at the moment of price action here. That would be a bad idea to chase if it happens. So I bought a couple of days ago again, and I would just take some profits if it does that. And yeah, besides that, there is no change. We're still tracking two main scenarios. Either we are just in the yellow wave 5 and have a chance to put a lasting low in place. But if that's the case, I'd like it to go lower in this 5-wave move, possibly even within this price channel, which we put onto the chart in the previous video. But honestly, it would really need to extend down lower because, yeah, again, we haven't broken the 17th of August low. And to fulfill this scenario, we need to make another low below that level. Or we're tracking the green wave count, in which we expect a much deeper pullback. But then this would subdivide into 5 larger waves. So this 5-wave move would just be a wave 1, then a wave 2 correction, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down. That should give you everything you need to know. I'm going to watch for the next potential lasting low in this region between 24K and 22K. And if price breaks below that, then it's the area between 18 and 20K. These are the two main scenarios. So far, again, message remains consistent. We cannot confirm a lasting low in place. Price action still short-term bearish. Larger time frame, larger degree, not yet clearly bullish. Okay, so we haven't got any indication that it's turning around here, but obviously we're still tracking larger degree bullish scenarios, just because we see impulses to the upside. Okay, so impulsive movements to the upside, corrective movements to the downside, but so far again we haven't seen any confirmation that price is turning around. So it seems reasonable to expect at least one more low. And then we need to see how price reacts to this area between 22K and 24K. Personally, actually, I'd like to see that high B wave rally, a very aggressive B wave rally to fake everybody out. Just because it would be great for everybody who scaled in here again to take some profits and then set back or buy back lower again. But we'll see. There's a few interesting setups that could come up. First of all, I think if we get the high B wave, to consider a short in the C wave, or if the C wave is already running in green, then obviously, as I showed you, this would subdivide into 5 waves. And then this here, the corrective rally here, could be a nice short trade to short the third wave of the C wave, because this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, the third wave would be capitulation, and we could get a fourth and a fifth. So this here would be my intention to short, but only if I see the right setup in a correction within the wave 2. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. In the membership, you can get access to all our TradingView live charts. So whenever we make any changes, you can see that straight away. You can access our member live streams and all previous live stream tutorial recordings. Tomorrow we've got our next member live stream. It's all about how Bitcoin escaped the last bear market. Yeah, we're looking at structures and fractals. And there's a lot of additional content. And for gold members, additional short-term market updates between videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.